Today I am going to paint second tree trunk. Let us create some tree trunks with the strokes of black here. See this one. Here I have put some glazing pink patches. Let us see what it is. Now red color shading on it. For water I am giving here pearl blue patches. Some glazing green patches to show the greenery around. Some grey color stamping work I am doing here to show the stones. Some olive green color patches to show the greenery. I am mixing here yellow plus olive green color. Just doing the yellow and light olive green patches here. Applying some black strokes to show the stony effect. Some yellowish patches to give the get-up. Some orange and red color stamping work here to show the flower effect in the mountain. Again some olive green strokes here to show the greeny effect. Some white strokes to show the waterfall now. From this part of the tree trunk and also from this side. I am giving some silver patches now. This way. Some ultramarine blue strokes on the mountain top. It looks awesome. Some silver strokes in the water, horizontal, to show the wavy effect. Hair of the girl, outline, I have enjoyed the making of this landscape. Do you like it? This and this. See, here we can see pink flamingos. A lady is watching them. This is a round mountain sculpture, or we can say landscape, with 3 waterfalls and a lake. So beautiful.